Hello guys, welcome to channel and welcome to another one new video. So we want to start a new video today. So we want to install the CodeBlocks today. CodeBlocks is a very important and common software. So we need to install the how can I install the CodeBlocks and how can I use this CodeBlocks completely. So I want to install the CodeBlocks now and showing all of the steps part to part. Yeah, so I just write down here in the Google CodeBlocks. Yeah, CodeBlocks. So I need to search the CodeBlocks is here. So we need to search the CodeBlocks here, showing the CodeBlocks organizational website is the www.codeblocks.org. So I just click on here, the CodeBlocks is here. So I'm now in CodeBlocks website. I need to it's basically install the CodeBlocks in my own laptop. So I need to download the CodeBlocks file first. So if you like the download the file, so that's why you just go in this side. You have the download folder here. You are just showing is here the download folder. So I need to click the download. Now is the download file is here. So all of the download file is here. So here have some different types of download categories. So one download the binary release, another one download the source code, another one revive source code from SVN. So it's the three main download file, but I can use only this one. Is the download binary release is here. So I'm just click down the download binary release. Yeah, so it's the download binary release. It's a very common and usable CodeBlocks software. So if you can use the binary release CodeBlocks software in your Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 as well. And if you can like use to if you want to use the software in your Linux 32 and 36 bit as well, and also Mac, if you have any Mac, then you can use this one as well. Is there. So I can use this software in my own laptop in Windows 10. I can use I just use Windows 10 in my laptop. So I want to set up this file. So I'm just click the Windows file is here. Yeah, and here have lots of the installation file is here. So I can just select this one, the number 4. This one is the CodeBlocks 220.03 MinGW setup.exe. So I'm just click the FOSHub or source forget.net. So I'll just click in here FOSHub for installation, for download this file basically. So it's already start to download is here. It's just showing here is the download this file is now. It's just starting download, and we need to wait some moment for download this file. It's basically 145 megabyte downloaded file. So is this the download file is done. Download is done. Now we need to install this file. So just click on the download file and wait some moment. So here is the CodeBlocks sign is here. So is this the main setup instruction file is here. So CodeBlocks installation. So I need to click next to continue this process. So I'll just click here for next process. Yeah, next, and now I need to agree this here now, because here have some copyright issues or anything. So that's why they ask for you agree or not to install this software. So yeah, I need to agree for installation this file. So here click the agree file. Yeah, now it's this the important option. Here it's basically the default installation process is here. So if you like any changes here, yeah, you can do it. So I need to just click here the next button, yeah, and is this the final installation button is here. So if you like click here for the installation, yeah, I just click his here now, yeah, is this the started to installation now. So it's already you just show here in my desktop here already made CodeBlocks application icon. So is this the icon is here already shown, and it's already in starting installation. So it's installing now, so we need to wait some moment. And finally is it installed. CodeBlocks installed is already done. So you are just look like here, do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Yeah, I want to now run the CodeBlocks now at this moment, because I need to do some work is here. So I need to click on yes, yeah, and just showing, yeah, the CodeBlocks, the main interface is here, it's now showing. Yeah, and guys, is this the CodeBlocks main interface is just looking is here. So if you like video, just comment, share, and subscribe in my channel, and I think it's very helpful for you. I think see you again another one video. So have a good day, guys.